If you have a house in Waterville, Ohio, and you want to sell it fast, easily, and conveniently, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, I've been buying houses in and around Waterville. And the reason people like working with myself and my team here is when you work with us, it's going to be very easy for you. And we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So what that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. Typically, the conversation goes something along the lines of you as the owner or seller, you can take anything that you want out of the house. Anything you don't want, you simply could leave behind. We'll dispose of it for you or donate it for you, but you don't need to pay for the trash out. You don't need to do anything. We're going to buy it in its as-is condition. There's no repairs that are too big or too small. You don't need to come out of pocket or give us credits for any repairs. Also, we're a true cash buyer, and this is a lot better than some of these traditional buyers that are out there. These traditional buyers, those are the ones who are driving around with a real estate agent, and also, if they got a real estate agent, get ready to pay commissions. That's money right out of your pocket. But these traditional buyers, they're also using a traditional bank or a traditional mortgage company, traditional lender. And you know what that means? This lender is basically going to close on their timeline. They're in control. When you work with us as a cash buyer, you're in control because we're going to close on your timeline. When you work with a traditional buyer, you're at the mercy of their lender. And you know what they're also going to do is send through a formal inspector, and they're going to nitpick your house. It's a big nightmare. And then they got to get an appraisal. And then maybe they want you to do some repairs and send the appraiser back out there. It's like, this is too much. Right? This is the feedback that we get all the time. People would much rather and prefer to work with us, who's an as-is cash buyer for your house in Waterville. So our phone number here, if you just want to see what your options are, there's no pressure, there's no obligations, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it's Columbus in the website name, but we're all over Waterville, we're all over Toledo, and we can work with you as well. So our phone number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. And if you have a house in Waterville, just give us a call to see what your options are, because there's never going to be any sales tactics or gimmicks or treat you unfairly. We're local. This is not some call center located in some distant foreign land here. We're local. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what you are to us. And we love buying houses in Waterville and surrounding areas. That phone number, once again, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave, and I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.